Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a scrolling menu to your Wix website. If you've ever wanted your site's menu to stay visible as your visitors scroll, giving your site a modern, super user-friendly feel, this is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know how to make your menu either stick at the top of the page or behave in cool ways as people move up and down your website. So let's jump right in. Now I'm going to start fresh here, just for demonstration purposes, so you can follow along step by step even if you don't have your own site built yet. If you do already have a Wix website, that's perfect. You can just do these same steps on your site. For this demo, let's choose a template. I'm picking a fashion store template, but of course, you can select whichever one matches your style or project best. Once you've picked out your template, you're going to click Edit Template. This is going to open up the Wix editor, and that's where all the magic happens. Now, once you're inside the web page editor, take a moment to look around so you're comfortable. We're going to focus on the top of the page, the header, which is usually where your site's menu lives. Go ahead and click directly on your header. You'll see a toolbar or sidebar appear, often called the inspector. In this inspector, look for something labeled Header Settings. This is where Wix lets us change how the menu behaves. Once you open up Header Settings, you're going to see an option for Scroll Effect. This might sound a little technical at first, but don't let it throw you off. What this is asking is, how do you want your header, your menu, to act when someone scrolls up or down your website? You'll have a few different options in the drop-down menu here. Scroll with Site, which is usually selected by default, freeze, disappear, and fade out. Let me quickly demystify these. Scroll with Site means your header will just move out of view when you scroll like normal. Freeze is what we want today. This makes your header stick to the top, always visible no matter how far you scroll down. That's what most people think of as a scrolling menu or sticky menu. Disappear will hide it as you scroll, and fade out will slowly make it vanish, which can be nice for certain aesthetics, but today we'll stick with freeze. So select freeze. Don't worry if you're not sure, nothing is set in stone here. You can always come back and play with the different effects later. Once you make your selection, the change is saved automatically. Before we go any further, let's make sure everything looks good. At the very top right of the editor, you'll see a little eye icon. That's your preview button. Go ahead and click that. You're now seeing your site the way your visitors would. Try scrolling up and down the page. See how the menu bar stays put always at the top? That's your scrolling menu in action. It makes navigation way easier for your visitors, especially if your pages get a little long. And honestly, that's it. Just a few clicks and your Wix website now feels much more modern and user-friendly. If you need to tweak the menu's look or try out the other scroll effects, feel free to experiment. Wix makes it easy to change back if you're not happy with the result. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you out, go ahead and hit that like button, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to see more Wix how-tos. And of course, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a new tutorial. See you next time.